Hello, today we will guide you through how to create artifact in Claude AI. To get started, open Claude and go to the new chat page. This is the main starting point where you can begin creating content and access different tools available in the platform. If you are not already signed in, make sure you complete that first so the workspace loads properly. Once you are on the new chat screen, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, since the next options you need are located in the side navigation area. From there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Artifacts. This section is where Claude organizes artifact-based work, making it easier to create, manage, and revisit structured outputs. If the sidebar is collapsed or minimized, you may need to expand it first so you can clearly see the Artifacts option. Clicking into this area will take you away from the standard chat view and into the workspace specifically meant for artifact creation. Once the Artifacts page opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click New Artifact. This is the button that starts the creation process. Think of it as the entry point for building something more structured than a simple message or prompt. After selecting it, Claude will begin guiding you into the setup flow for your new artifact. Next, choose a sample category. This step helps define the type of artifact you want to create and gives Claude a clearer framework for what you're building. Depending on what appears on your screen, the category may represent a template, use case, or general format. Select the one that best matches your goal. Taking a few extra seconds here can make the rest of the setup smoother, since the category often influences what options or guidance appear next. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Claude will present the remaining prompts and instructions needed to complete your artifact. Read each screen carefully and move through the setup one step at a time. This part may include entering details, confirming settings, or choosing from additional options based on the category you selected. If something is unclear, pause briefly and review the visible guidance before continuing. And that's it. By starting from a new chat, opening artifacts, creating a new artifact, selecting a sample category, and following the on-screen prompts, you can successfully create an artifact in Claude AI. Take your time during the setup, and once you've done it once, the process will feel much quicker the next time.